In today's video, I'm going to teach you AutoCAD, how to draw isometric drawings. Isometric drafting lets you create 3D-looking visuals using 2D tools. Perfect for quick technical illustrations. We'll walk through setting up your workspace, drawing edges and round features, and finishing with dimensions and notes. Start by opening AutoCAD. Turn on IsoDraft so the cursor and grid align to isometric angles. You can click the isometric drafting icon on the status bar. It looks like two intersecting axes, or type IsoDraft in the command line and press Enter. This switches your environment into isometric mode. Next, get comfortable switching isoplanes. Tap F5 or press Ctrl+E to cycle through the three planes. Use isoplane top when you are sketching features viewed from above, which align along 30 and 150 degrees. Choose isoplane left when working on the left face, aligned at 90 and 150 degrees. Pick isoplane right for the right face, aligned at 30 and 90 degrees. Change planes as you move from top surfaces to side faces, so your lines follow the correct directions. To keep edges crisp, turn on ortho mode by pressing F8. Ortho constrains your cursor to the active isoplane's angles, so your lines won't drift off axis. If something doesn't snap to the expected angle, check that ortho is on and that you are on the correct isoplane. Now draw with familiar 2D commands, but think isometrically. Use the line command to trace edges. Enter the object's true length. The distances are not scaled just because it's isometric. As you draw, the angles follow the current isoplane automatically. For circular features like holes or rounded pads, don't use a standard circle. It will look flat. Instead, start the ellipse command and choose the ISO circle option on the command line. Make sure you've activated the isoplane that matches the face the circle belongs on, then specify the center and size. AutoCAD will create the correct ellipse for that face. When you need parallel edges, skip offset. Because isometric lines are angled, offset won't produce a true isometric parallel. Use copy instead. Pick a base point, enter the distance, and copy in the isometric direction. Use move to position features as needed. Finish by adding information. Go to dimensions and place your dimensions on the relevant edges. For notes or labels, type text or just T. Set your text placement and enter the content. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.